Vijay invests some amount in National Savings Certificate. For first year, he invests rupees 500. For the second year, he invests rupees 700. For the third year, he invests rupees 900 and so on. How much amount he has been invested in 12 years? See, yearly investment of Vijay are 500, 700, 900. That means the yearly investment are in AP. So we can write first year investment A is equals to 500 and the difference between investment D is equals to 200. Now see how much amount he has been invested in 12 months. That means total number N is equals to 12. To find the total investment in 12 years, we have to calculate S12. For this, we are going to use formula Sn is equals to N upon 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Now see student, N is equals to 12. So S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus 12 minus 1 into D. 12 minus 1, 11. A first installment is 5 and D is 200. So substitute these values. S12 is equals to 12 upon 2. 2 into 500 plus 12 minus 1 into 200. So 12 upon 2, 6. 2 into 500, 1000. 12 minus 1 is 11 into 200. So you will get 6 into bracket 1000 plus 2200, that is 3200 into 6. So S12 will become 19,200. So total investment done in 12 years is 19,200. See student, again the investment per year is given and you have to calculate total investment of 12 years. So the total investment done in 12 years will become 19,200. In a school, plantation program was arranged on the occasion of World Environment Day on a ground of triangular shape. The trees are to be planted as shown in the figure. See, figure is given. 1 plant in the first row, 2 in the second, 3 in the third and so on. If there are 25 rows, then find the total number of plants to be planted. See, the number of the trees in each rows up to the 25th row are as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. That means these number of the trees planted in each row are in AP. So we can write number of the tree in first row, that is equals to 1. Difference between the number of the trees planted in 2 successive rows, D is equals to 1. And to find the total number of tree planted in 25 rows, you have to calculate S25. That is Sn is equals to N upon 2 into bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So S25 is equals to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus 25 minus 1 into D. 25 minus 1 will become 24. We can substitute A as 1 and D as 1. So you will have S25 is equals to 25 upon 2 into 2 into 1 plus 25 minus 1 into 1. So 25 minus 1 is 24. 2 plus 24 will become 26 in bracket. So you can solve this. 25 upon 2 into 26, that is 25 into 13, and you will get S25 is 325. See, 325 trees were planted in 25 rows. See, in each row 1 plant increases, and like this you have to calculate how many plants are there in 25 rows. So we have to calculate S of 25. So we can use formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 AP. First and last term is 13 and 216 respectively. Common difference is 7. How many terms are there in that AP? Find the sum of all terms. See student, and it is given first term of AP is 30, that means A is equals to 13, and last term, that is Tn, is equals to 216, and common difference D is equals to 7. First we have to calculate number of the terms, that is n, and then you have to calculate sum of all terms, that means we require Sn. So this all are given. Now see, by formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn, n term is 216, A is 13 and D is 7. So we can substitute this value. You will have 216 is equals to 13 plus n minus 1 into 7. Now we can solve this. Plus 13 will become minus 13. 216 minus 13 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. Now we can subtract this 216 minus 13. You will get 203 is equals to n minus 1 into 7. So to calculate the n, first you have to bring this 7 at LHS. So 203 upon 7 is equals to n minus 1. So we can divide this 203 by 7, you will get 29. So n minus 1 is equals to 29. Therefore, n is equals to 29 plus 1, that is equals to 30. So we have first answer student, number of terms is equals to 30. Now second we have to calculate sum of n terms, that is Sn. Now see, Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. So we can substitute this value to find the sum of n terms. N is equals to 30. So S30 is equals to 30 upon 2 into 13 plus 216. So 30 upon 2 gives 15. 216 plus 13 is equals to 229. So S30 is equals to 15 into 229, and that is 3435. So we have answer. Sum of the terms is equals to 3435. So we can write the answer. Hence there are 30 terms in that AP and sum of all that terms is 3430. Second and fourth term of an AP is 12 and 20 respectively. Find the sum of 25 terms of that AP. You have to find the sum of 25 terms. Now see student, we have second and fourth term. That means T2 is equals to 12 and T4 is equals to 20. So with the help of this term, we have to calculate first A, then D, and then you will get sum of the first 25 terms. So let the common difference D, first term is A, common difference is D. Now by using formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now for second term Tn will become T2. A plus n is 2, 2 minus 1 into D. So T2 12, 12 is equals to A plus D. Similarly we can apply for fourth term also. So we have first equation A plus D is equals to 12. Now by formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. For fourth term n will become 4. So T4 is equals to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Now T4 is given as 20 is equals to A plus 3D. So we have equation number 2, A plus 3D is equals to 20. Now you can solve this equation. You will get value of D and then you can substitute D in equation 1. You will get A. So subtracting equation 1 from 2, equation 2 is A plus 3D is equals to 20 and 1 is A plus D is equals to 12. Subtraction, that means sign of the second equation going to change. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. A minus A get cancelled. 3D minus D is 2D is equals to 8. Therefore, D is equals to 4. So, put the value of D in equation 1. We get A plus 4 is equals to 12. So, A is equals to 12 minus 4, that is equals to 8. Now, see, we have A, D as well as first term. So, we can calculate sum of the 25 terms, that is Sn is equals to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So, applying for 25 terms, S25 is equals to 25 upon 2 into bracket 2A plus 25 minus 1 into D. So, see, 2A 25 minus 1 is 24D. Now, we can put the value of A and D. Before that, you can take common 2. It will become easy because 2 get cancelled. So, S25 is equals to 25 into bracket 8 plus 12 into 4. See, we have value of A and D from equation number 3 and 4. 12 4s are 48. 48 plus 8, 56. So, we have S25 is equals to 25 into 56. That is equals to 1400. So, answer is sum of first 25 terms in that AP is 1400. See, in this way we have second term and fourth term. With the help of that term, by using formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. First you have to calculate A and D, then you are going to use Sn formula.